Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the description box how your day is going. So, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing 2 jewelry subscriptions. And I started doing this last month. Instead of doing separate jewelry videos, I just put it together. So, one, to kill 2 birds with a stone. Is that how you say it? And also to show you the different jewelry subscriptions, to see which one you like better. So, we will start with the cheaper one. This is Mintmongoose. This is $12 a month. I do have a code that you can save a couple dollars off. I believe you can get it for $10. I don't make anything out of this. It's just for you guys. And one thing I like about this subscription is you can choose if you want it gold, rose gold, or silver. So I like that part. All right, so let's open her up. All right. I love the fact that you always get a piece of candy in here. All right, so that's what it looks like. The box seems like it changed. I noticed that last month. It has like more like fish scales. It used to be like a solid white. All right, so let's see. This is both for April. All right, and these are my favorite candies, like the hard candies. I love it. All right, the first thing that fell out is a little feather ring. It's just really, really pretty. I like that. My fingers are a little bit swollen today. Let's see if I can put it on. You can adjust it to make it bigger or smaller, I think. Can you? Maybe not. It does fit. I wear a size 8. So, let's see, but my fingers are so swollen today. Can you adjust it? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you definitely can adjust it. So, that's good. All right, I do like that actually. We have on my mother's side Cherokee Indian, so it reminds me of that, the feathers. All right, let me put my ring back on before I lose that. All right, then you get a card here. It just says thank you, right there. All right, and it always comes in a mint color, like wrapping paper wrapped up, really pretty. Now, you don't have to, I believe you can like choose, like if you don't want to get a bracelet or something like that, you can let her know. All right, so here are the pieces right here. All right, let me open her, I'm going to use my little knife, my handy dandy knife. With this subscription, it has hits and misses for me, but that's when you get a subscription, it just happens like that. All right, so these are the earrings. All right, right there. Okay, so that's what they look like. So they're like a nice greenish color. So they're pretty, right there. Really pretty. And then usually you have a matching necklace to go. So let's open this up. All right. So that is the necklace. So the necklace matches the earrings right there. How I feel about it this month. You can make this, like longer or shorter. It always has the Mongoose logo right there. But this is not like an everyday necklace. You'd have to dress, have something a little bit dressier, or maybe like something plain to dress your outfit up. Like I couldn't wear it with this. So, and the earrings are nice because, like I said, they always match. So that is that, and everything is let me try that again. In this subscription, everything is always nickel free because I do get asked that a lot. So for $12, and like I said, if you use my link, you can get it for $10. That's not bad to get a necklace, earrings, and you either get like a bracelet or a ring. So I'm not knocking that. All right, so now we have the Glamour jewelry box. And this is a little bit more expensive. This is $29.95. You do pay $3 for shipping, and you're guaranteed to get at least $75 worth of value. And again, I will leave the link down below, and it comes like that when you open it up. It always comes in this like pink velvety case, which is really pretty. All right. So this month is rose gold. Now, with this jewelry, you do not get to pick what metal that you want. So they just give you, everybody gets the same thing and you just get whatever that month is. So depending on if you like that or not. But this jewelry here, oh, the earrings fell out right here. All right, so this is what they look like, which they're really pretty. I do like that. These are the earrings. And I like these a lot. Very, very pretty. I'm looking for the card. Did I get a card this month? I don't see a card in here to tell me what the prices are. Yeah, I didn't get a card. So if I can find the prices online, look in my description box and I'll tell you what they say that everything retail values for. Yeah, nothing. That's funny. Usually I always get a card. All right. So then this month, this is, all right, let's see. This is the necklace. So it has a little knot and then it looks like this. And this is what it looks like. So it kind of is like the Mintmongoose a little bit. And they both are the same. So one is longer than the other. And can you make this one? Yeah, can you? Yeah, you can, I mean, this is long. I don't know how I feel about very long necklaces, but it's cute. I don't know if I would wear this. I don't tend to like rose gold, but I might. We will see. Sometimes when you put it on and you have the right outfit, then it looks nice. Because I have said that before, like, oh, I don't like that. And then I wore like a certain outfit and I'm like, well, I kind of like it. All right, and then, oh, this is pretty. And then you have the bracelet. That's really, really pretty. I like that a lot. And you can make this bigger or smaller. So let's put that on. Let's see if I can put it on. My fingers are very swollen in my wrist today, so please forgive me for that. I don't know if I can tighten it up myself. Yeah. All right. So that's pretty. That is really pretty. I can make that tighter if I want. But yeah, there we go. So that's pretty. I think the earrings are my favorites. And then I do like the bracelets. I don't know how I feel about this. And I don't have a card. Let me double check again. Yeah, there's no card in here. That's weird because I always get the card. So I don't know what they claim the value is. It says it's over $75 worth of value. And I definitely think it's worth it when you look at it where you're only paying $29.95 and you're getting over $75 worth of value. So it's up to you. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments down below. Which do you like better? Do you like the Mintmongoose? Now, I think the pros for Mintmongoose is you get to pick which metal that you like. I do enjoy that, and for $10, if you use my code, I mean $10 a month, you can kind of get your jewelry game up. Now, I wasn't too like excited for that style jewelry, but there has been a lot of jewelry pieces every month that I do like. If you do have your hits and misses, that's what it is when you get a subscription. Now, as far as the Glamour one, they're a little bit more daintier and I don't know how to explain. I won't say prettier, but more my style. But you don't get to pick. I wish it came in silver every month. So it's up to you. Like, do you want them? If you don't like rose gold, you might get rose gold that month. I'm not sure if you can skip a month. I'll leave all the information down below because some subscriptions you can skip that month if you see it and you don't think you're going to care for it. I don't know. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of the subscriptions? Which do you like better? Do you like both of them? And what do you think of jewelry subscriptions? I am very curious. But that's everything, guys. Please like my video because it truly does help me out. And let me know how your day is going. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.